Welcome to Daddy Hot Wheels. We're here with Connor's Cars. We've scored ourselves a good find today. We are gonna get this box open, floor stand, and see what we find.
Oh, no, we were.
Connor found it. Look at what he found. Sweet dessert drifter. Sweet drifter.
It's got 50 seconds.
You want to see some more cars?
Yeah. Yes, please.
What do we got?
Marika! I found one!
You found one? What'd you find?
It is still here.
Hey, you found Shark Bite. You need that one? What else we find? The red one, like a purple one?
That's our need.
Ambulance.
I need that one.
Purple D100, that's cool. We'll get that.
I'm gonna fill it up. I'm gonna fill my basket up, Daddy. I'm gonna fill my basket up.
You gonna fill your basket up?
Yeah. Wait.
Zingers. Brick and mortars. Let's see what else we got. 52 Chevy. G-case hits. Here, just set them over here, buddy, and then we'll go get a basket, okay? Nice. Another D100. Couple more. Found one?
Batman!
Batman?
Uh-huh.
You need Batman?
Yeah. I need a... Oh! I found this basket one.
Mod Speeder, Mazda, El Segundo.
Yeah.
You got a purple truck? That thing's pretty cool, dude.
Yeah. I rolled it, Daddy.
Nice colors on these cars. Look at these things. Look at that Mod Speeder, dude. Mod Speeder is pretty slick.
Can I grab a fence? This can be very, hey, I found one guinea. Yeah.
The Mod Speeder is pretty cool. The yellow Jaguar, too. It's gotta be a Family Dollar color.
This one in it.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah.
Ram Charger.
Hey!
Big treasure hunt. So that's a Dodge Coronet. Shipper. No treasure hunt. No super. I don't even look like super.
It's Hot Wheels! It's our Hot Wheels, Dad! It's our Hot Wheels. Hey, I found another monster. Hey, that's enough. It's perfect. From what?
Is it?
Yeah. Look at
Alright, we're not going to take all of these, okay? We got to leave some for other people. Alright?
Yeah. I got the tortilla.
Alright, thanks for watching us bust this thing open. Unfortunately, no hunt, no tea hunts. That's alright though, we had fun opening it. Look at the pile of cars the little guys got. Did you have fun doing that?
Yeah. Let's go.
What do you got in your hand?
It's this one.
Nice, dude. That thing's pretty cool. Alright, say thank you.
Thank you.
Have a good day. Happy hunting. Say happy hunting.